Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. Your P22 examination is just over your head. So be prepared and go through all the videos and all the study materials and all the books, whatever you have for your P22 examination, right? So welcome to the second part of our food and nutrition, that is food pipe or esophagus, right? Sorry, second part of our nutrition in animal, and we'll start with the food pipe or esophagus. Okay, so after the one more thing, that what we have studied in the previous part, we have studied about the process of nutrition in different animal, how they take. Then we have learnt about the buccal cavity, right? The how we take the food into our mouth is the buccal cavity. Okay, now into the buccal cavity, how food is taken, how it can be chewed, and how we can eat it. Okay, now see the food pipe. We have seen here about the food pipe, right? Food is taken into the mouth through the buccal cavity. हमने इसे चबा लिया, हमने इसे swallow कर लिया, but now the food will go into the stomach. How it will go? It will go through the food pipe, that is the esophagus. Okay, now see, after the food is swallowed, it passes into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck and the chest. It is made up of muscles. So it is made up of muscles, and food is pushed down by gentle movement called peristalsis. And this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal. See the alimentary canal, what I told, alimentary canal means the digestive system, whole the digestive system. Okay, whole the organ of digestive system. So food pipe that push down the food into the stomach by the movement, and that movement means contraction, or the movement of the food pipe is called the peristalsis. Okay, this is called the peristalsis, by which food can be passed through the food pipe to the stomach. Okay, now see, here is a brain teaser question. Then how does food move in upward direction during vomiting? So when you feel vomiting ना, हमारा food जो है वो upward direction में आता है. So I have already explained about this in Google Meet classes, but still you need to search about it, okay, and answer me in the WhatsApp. Now see stomach. So what is the work of stomach? We say ना कि मेरा stomach तो full हो गया. So but there is not only there, the digestion is not finished. Stomach तो बस food को store करके रखता है, ठीक है? After that goes to the digestion. Okay, the stomach is a thick walled bag. Stomach is a kind of bag, right? And it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Remember, it is the widest part of our alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end, and at other end it opens into the small intestine. See here, it opens. See here, this part is open into the open from the food pipe to receive the food, and the next part is open it to the small intestine to transfer the mixed food, okay, with the nutritions, with the digestive juices. The inner lining of the stomach secrete mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Okay, so inner lining of the stomach, they secrete mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices, and this helps to digestion. So the mucus protect the inner wall of the stomach. Mucus, what is the work of mucus? To protect the inner wall of the stomach. The acid that is the hydrochloric acid, kill the bacteria which comes along with the food, right, and helps in the digestion of the protein as well. Thus the food gets partly digested in the stomach. Okay, and what is the main work of the stomach? I have already discussed about this in the Google Meet class, that stomach is work as our mixer grinder, right? In our mixer grinder हम fruits को रख देंगे, and then we start it, वो grind हो जाता है ना, वो paste बन जाता है पूरा. वैसे ही हमारा stomach जो है ना, हमारे food को ना बिल्कुल crunch और उसको ना paste बना देता है mix with the digestive juices, right? And then that transfer that food into the small intestine where the whole digestion completed, right? सो स्टमक में डाइजेशन कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, वहाँ पार्टली डाइजेस्ट होता है, बट हमारा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में दैट डाइजेस्टेड with the whole digestion is completed. Okay, now see the small intestine. From the stomach the food enters into the small intestine. Okay, and the small intestine is highly coiled and about 7.5 meter long tube. ये बहुत लंबा होता है. See here, आई एम शोइंग यू, वेट हियर, ये देखो ये कॉइल्ड किया हुआ है, मतलब इसको ना बिल्कुल रोल रोल करके वहाँ पे एडजस्ट किया हुआ है. इट्स 7.5 मीटर लॉन्ग. दिस इज द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ओके, इट्स 7.5 मीटर लॉन्ग. ये बहुत लंबा होता है, राइट. एंड ओके, सो liver and pancreas pour their secretion. Sorry class, wait. Okay, so liver and pancreas, they pour their secretion into the small intestine, and beside the walls of the small intestine also produce digestive juices. Okay, small intestine is also produces digestive juices, and pancreas and liver, they also pour their secretion, means digestion, their juices into the small intestine. Okay, now see the work of liver, how liver work for the digestion. It is the largest gland in the human body, remember it. In human body, it is the largest gland. It is a reddish brown color and situated in the upper part of the abdomen. Means हमारा जो abdomen है ना, उसके upper में ये situated होता है, right, on the right side. So it secrete bile juice that is stored in the gallbladder. So they secrete bile juice which is stored where, in gallbladder. See the green one, यहाँ पे store होता है, right. The bile juice helps the digestion of fat. So we eat fat, right. हम जब खाना खाते हैं तो हमारे खाने में fat भी होता है, which is very much important for our body. For what? For the energy, right. And it breaks, so it helps to digestion in fats, and it helps to breaks fats into tiny droplets, which when mixed with digestive juices and form simpler compound which can be easily absorbed by the body, right. So what is the work of liver? To secrete bile juice, and which is stored in the gallbladder, and from where the what is the work of bile juice? To digestion of the fats. Okay, now see pancreas. These are what? These are the glands. Okay, ये क्या है ना, liver and all, these are the glands. Now see the pancreas. What is the work of pancreas? They are just below the stomach. See, I'm showing you where the pancreas is here. मैं दिखा रही हूँ, wait. See, here is the pancreas. देखो, just stomach के नीचे है, ठीक है, just stomach के नीचे है. This is the pancreas. So what is the work of pancreas? The pancreas secrete the pancreatic juice which acts on the carbohydrate, protein, and changes them into smaller, simpler substances. I told you na that we can't digest carbohydrate and protein like that, only we need to convert it into simpler substances, then which helps the pancreatic juices, means which secrete from the pancreas, right, convert the carbohydrate and protein into simpler substances. How? The complete digestion food takes place in the lower part of the small intestine, right. I told you na, complete digestion takes place in the small intestine, and the carbohydrate breaks into the simplest sugar, fats into fatty acid and glycerol, and protein into amino acid, right. So protein converts into amino acid, carbohydrate into simpler sugar, and fats into fatty acid. So that's why we say na, if a person is suffering from the diabetes, means उसने बहुत ज़्यादा चीनी नहीं खा लिया, means हमारे बॉडी में ना ऑलरेडी शुगर होता है. कैसे? We eat rice and wheat, right. हम रोटी लेते, राइस लेते, पोटैटो लेते, they all are carbohydrate, right. So when we eat it, it convert into sugar. So that is a natural sugar of our body. So अगर हम उससे भी ज़्यादा sugar ले लें हमारे body में ना, then sugar level increases in our body, and then we suffer from the disease called the diabetes. Okay, so fat is converted into fatty acid and protein into amino acid. Then only we can digest the food, right. We can digest this carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Okay. Now absorptions in small intestine. So we have learned about the complete digestion takes place in small intestine, but how the complete digestion takes place in small intestine, वो तो हमने नहीं पढ़ा. That we will learn here. The absorptions of the absorptions of the nutrition in the small intestine we'll learn here. Okay, so the digestive food is now absorbed by the blood vessels present on the wall of the small intestine. See, this is the small intestine, right, and these are the wall of the small intestine. Here the surface, or here the finger like projection present, which are called the villi, which is shown here, right. This is called the villi, and this, which is a finger-like projection called the villi, and the villi increase the surface area of absorptions of digestive food aid. It increases the surface area by which the digestive food aid can be absorbed. Okay, Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to the surface. They have a network, मतलब वो बहुत फैला हुआ है, ठीक है, small intestine में. And the absorbed food substances are mixed with the blood and transported to the different organ of the body and are used to build the complex substances such as protein required by the body. So you know our body need all the substances like protein. Why we need protein? To build the body muscles, to grow. We need carbohydrate for the energy. We need fat for the energy and smooth movement of our bone. We need vitamins and minerals for what? For the complete for the protection of our body, for the to protect our body from the different type of diseases, right? So villi, what is the work of villi? To mix the digestive juices or the nutritions with the blood and send it to the different parts of our body. Means each and every part of our body needs the फूड, राइट. बट वी कांट से हमने चावल खा लिया और चावल हमारे फिंगर में, हमारे बालों में, हमारे ब्रेन में पहुंच गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो हमारे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, स्टमक में जाके वो बिल्कुल पेस्ट बनता है. देन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, जैसे कि हम छन्नी, हम जब जूस बनाते हैं ना ग्राइंडर में, देन व्हाट वी डू, हम उसे स्ट्रेन करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रेनर एंड देन दैट जूस कम्स डाउन. हम जूस को कलेक्ट करते हैं. दैट जूस इज कॉल्ड द दैट जूस कम्स इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, राइट. एंड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में विली जो है ना वो जूस को ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है, राइट, एंड सेंड इट टू द different part of our body, okay, which is called the assimilation, which is used by our body, like the carbohydrate used as the energy, protein used for the bodybuilding, and fat used for the energy as well, right. This is called the assimilation. In the cell, glucose is broken down with the help of oxygen. So we breathe also, हम breathe करते हैं, so oxygen comes in our body. So in the cell what happens? So you know the blood, the nutrition or the food, the digestive food is mixed with the blood vessels and goes to the cell, different cells, each and every cells of our body. In cell, the glucose is broken down with the help of oxygen into the carbon dioxide. Means carbon dioxide produce water and provide energy, right. So we just exhale the carbon dioxide and water. If it is a waste material, we just excrete it from our body, eliminate from our body in the form of urine, and it provide us energy. See, हम खाना खाते हैं और हमें तुरंत इतना एनर्जी मिल जाता है ना. इसमें कितना लंबा प्रोसेस है. सी, amino acid are used for building and repairing of the food. Amino acid means what? Amino acid means the protein, okay. Amino acid means protein. It helps for the repair and bodybuilding of our body and the building of our body, right. Fatty acid is stored under the skin and acts as a energy reservoir, okay. So see what we have learned in small intestine, that food is completely digestion. Means वो जो जूस मैंने बताया ना, वो जूस पूरा डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है, पूरा यूज हो जाता है विले के थ्रू, और ये पूरा बॉडी में different सेल्स में, इसे ईच एंड एवरी सेल में हमारे बॉडी में इसे ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दिया जाता है, राइट. नाउ अब स्ट्रेनर में से हमने जूस तो ले लिया, बट जो हार्ड पार्टिकल्स ऊपर बच जाता है ना छन्नी में, स्ट्रेनर में, उसको हम क्या करते हैं, उसमें फेंक देते हैं. सो हम उसे कैसे फेंकेंगे? हमारे बॉडी से थ्रू लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, ठीक है. Through large intestine will eliminate it from the body. So undigested food that is remains unabsorbed, means हम जो खाना खाते हैं ना, जो absorb नहीं होता है हमारे body में, undigested होता है, that enters to the large intestine. Wait, I'm showing you the large intestine over here. See, this is the large intestine. ये जो बाहर का है ना लाइन, देखो ये पूरा large intestine है, ठीक है. This is called the large intestine. ओके, सो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज़ अ वाइड ट्यूब. एक बहुत ही बड़ा ट्यूब है, मतलब चौड़ा, बहुत ही चौड़ा, एंड इट इज़ अबाउट 1.5 मीटर लेंथ. हेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर प्रेजेंट इन द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड इज ऑब्जॉर्ब. सो इफ़ इन हमारा जो फूड होता है ना अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड में, इफ़ देर इज़ अ वाटर इज ऑब्जॉर्ब इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन ओनली. बट इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट ऑब्जॉर्ब ना, वी सफ़र फ्रॉम लूज मोशन, राइट. हमें लूज मोशन हो जाता है. सो द रिमेनिंग फूड इज पासिस इन टू द रेक्टम. सो बिफोर वी फील लाइक वी नीड टू गो फॉर द लॉन्ग टॉयलेट, वी फील, हमें हैवीनेस फील हो रहा है, दैट इज़ इन द रेक्टम ओनली, राइट. एंड रिमेन्स आर द सेमी सॉलिड फीसेस and then it passes out of the body through anus, right. And this is called the egestion, means the elimination of the undigested or waste product from our body, right class. I hope you all got it about the digestion, the whole part of digestion, right. Now see, about the grass eating animal. So we have learnt about the human, but what about the grass eating animal? How they digest their food, right? They also have some special organ for digestion, but as they don't eat the food which we eat, right, वो अपना अलग ही वो raw materials ज़्यादा खाते हैं, so they have some strong digestive system. So we learn about this, right? So digestion in grass eating animals, right? Grass eating animal means the buffalo and the cow. So you must have seen that cows and buffaloes, other grass eating animal, keep on chewing even on when they are not eating, right? वो बस chew करते ही जाते हैं, right? जब वो खाते नहीं ना फिर भी वो chew करते रहते हैं. आप देखना बैठ के ना अपने मुँह चबाते ही रहते हैं. So what they are doing, actually they quickly swallow their grass and store it in the chamber in their stomach called rumen. So what they do, they just quickly swallow their grass, है ना, वो अपने grass को ना बस swallow कर लेते हैं, and then वो अपने बॉडी के ना एक पार्ट में विच इज़ कॉल्ड द रूमेन, वहाँ पे वो स्टोर करके रखते हैं, राइट? दे स्टोर इन द रूमेन, एंड इन रूमेन द फूड इज़ partially digested and is called curd. Means rumen में ना that is not completely digested, that is partly digested, which is called the curd, right? Have already discussed about this curd. And it then return to the mouth. So whenever they get time ना, जब वो आराम से बैठते हैं काऊ बफालो, जब उन्हें एकदम फुर्सत में आ जाते हैं, उनके पास अब कुछ काम नहीं है, उन्हें खा लिया पूरा फूड को, अपने स्टमक को फुल कर लिया, तब वो आराम से बैठते हैं और वो कर्ड को अपने मुंह में रिटर्न लेके आते हैं, ठीक है? दे रिटर्न टू द माउथ फॉर द प्रॉपर चिविंग, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द रूमिनेशन, और यू कैन कॉल द चिविंग ऑफ कर्ड एज वेल, राइट? आप इसको चिविंग ऑफ कर्ड भी बोल सकते हैं, रूमिनेशन. एंड दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड द रूमिनेंट्स. ओके, so the rumination means the chewing of curd, or the animals, the grass eating animals, they just keep chewing on the grass, and when they get time or whenever, and after some, they store their food into their rumen, okay, called curd, and then they return it into their mouth and chew it properly, right? That is called the rumination, and these animals are called the ruminants. Okay, now the grass is rich in cellulose. Have already told you in Google Meet classes that what is cellulose. So we can't digest cellulose, right? We can't. आप जाके grass खाओ तो दो, आपका digestion नहीं होगा, because we don't have some certain bacteria which the cow has, right? So the grass is rich in cellulose, and we human being cannot digest it. We cannot digest the ruminants, right? Cellulose. So ruminants have a special stomach which has a 4 parts known as the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, right? Rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. See here, I'm showing you here. See, this is the esophagus, means their food pipe. ये जो food pipe उन लोग का, they have the reticulum, the first chamber, then omasum here, then they have rumen over here, right? rumen में वो सारे food को store करके रखते हैं, and they have abomasum, right? उनका उनका intestine है यहाँ पे है. See, here they have intestine where their whole process of digestion takes place, right? So the cellulose is digested here by the action of some certain bacteria which only present in the ruminant. Okay, so the certain bacteria is present in the stomach of the ruminant, and these bacteria are not present in the human. That's why we can't digest grass. Okay, now see here, during digestion, minerals and vitamins do not need to be converted into other forms, right? We need to convert fat into fatty acid, protein into amino acid, and carbohydrate into sugar, right? But we need not convert the vitamins and minerals into any other form. The cells are able to absorb them as they are, right? Now class, we'll see about the story of the stomach with a hole. You know, it's a very interesting story, and how the story of the stomach, there was a doctor that how he come to know about the stomach, how a stomach works, right? Now we'll see. The working of the stomach was discovered by an interesting event. In 1822, a man named Alexis San Martin was accidentally hit by a shotgun. So there was a man whose name was Alexis San Martin was accidentally hit by a shotgun, right? उसको एक shotgun लग गया था, and the bullet had badly damaged the chest wall and made a hole in the stomach. Okay, and he was treated by an American doctor called William Beaumont. The doctor saved Martin, but he survived with a hole in his stomach that never completely healed. So वो जो Martin था ना, that's he saved, but he was never like उसका जो stomach में जो hole था ना, वो कभी ठीक नहीं हुआ, right? So Bument felt it is a great opportunity to observe the inside the stomach through the hole and perform many interesting experiments. So the doctor, he thought that it's a very great opportunity to see what is happening inside our stomach, inside our body, right? And he has done so many interesting experiment with that person. So Bument found that the stomach was churning the food. आई टोल्ड यू ना, चर्निंग द फूड मीन्स फूड को ना बिल्कुल मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में जैसे पेस्ट बन जाता है ना हमारा जूस, या हम जो भी उसमें डालते हैं मसाले, हम कितने भी हार्ड हार्ड मसाले डाल दें फिर वो एकदम से ग्राइंड होकर निकल के आ जाता है, वैसे ही हमारा स्टमक वर्क करता है, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ द वॉल सेक्रेटेड फ्लूइड विच कुड डाइजेस्ट द फूड. We have learned already that stomach secretes some digestive juices which are fluid, right? So he also noticed that the end of the stomach opens in the small intestine, right? We have learned about this only also, that the end of the stomach opens where? In the small intestine, only after the digestion of the food inside the stomach is completed. Okay, so I hope you all got it about this chapter. It's a very interesting chapter, and I hope you all have got it. We have already discussed each and everything in the Google Meet classes, now in the YouTube classes as well. So we have provided you study materials as well. So class, don't miss a chance. Go through everything very properly. बहुत अच्छे से देखो, ठीक है? And you can do your examination very nicely, and forget about examination is just a part. You need to learn. Abhi seekho, theek hai? It's a time for the learning. And see, here are some multiple questions and all which we have already discussed in the Google Meet classes, and which you can do with your own, right? You can make it with your own. It's a very easy. Just go through the video or chapter once or twice and you can make it, okay? So thank you for today, class. I'll catch you in the next video or in the next chapter with the new topic. And for the time, be at home, be safe, study, don't forget to study, and don't go outside unnecessary. Maintain all the protocols for the COVID-19. Use mask, wear the mask, not only one, two masks you should wear, and use the sanitizer as well, okay? Till then, bye, and catch you in the next video. Thank you.